everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing my BOXYCHARM Premium Box for the month of July. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, today I am going to be unboxing this bad boy right here today, my premium box. I really hope BOXYCHARM redeems themselves for this premium box because my base box was, I didn't like it too much, to be honest with ya. Along with the drama with the add-ons that they gave me. I won't even get into that. If you guys want to see the drama with the add-ons they sent me, I'll link that down below because I don't even want to upset myself by talking about it. So you guys can watch that. I'll leave it down in the description if you guys choose to watch that whole spill. But maybe they can redeem themselves with this box. So fingers crossed that they redeem themselves. This month it's supposed to be the premium box is an Anastasia Takeover, and I love all of Anastasia products. Like I use pretty much all of their stuff. I love her palettes. Like her palettes are amazing. I have like all of her palettes, and for the most part I've collected like all of the Norvina palettes. I just didn't get the recent one because I have this purple palette and she came out with another purple palette, and I'm like, there's more than enough purple in this one palette. I don't need like 2 palettes of just purple. So I didn't get that one just because I figured like it didn't make sense. So, but like you guys can see that like I love these palettes so much that, I mean, they're $60 a pop for these palettes, and I loved it so much that I bought all of them. I was super excited to see that they were gonna have this in here because I think that's great. If anyone has not tried like their palettes, they're amazing. Like I have one like a pink from this palette and a purple from this palette on my eyes today. Very pigmented, and I barely even like put any of my brush in it. That's how pigmented this stuff is. So 10 out of 10, definitely recommend the palettes. Alrighty, so let's see. If you guys are new to BOXYCHARM Premium, the boxes are $35. So as you guys can see, ooh, it kind of matches my makeup with the purple, a little bit of purple. So it says here, BOXYCHARM X Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills Premium Box here. This is beautiful. Ooh, and it gives you buy one, get one 50% off at the Anastasia website. That's kind of cool, and it tells you everything you got in your box as well. So that's not too shabby. And then when you open the box, this is what it looks like. I love the background of the box. Look at that. This is just the sneak peek, but you can't really see anything. I got my palette. And then this is, I guess this is like your true sneak peek right there. There you go. Sneak peek. So I took everything out and I put it on the table, but there's butterflies on the bottom. How cute is this, guys? This is very cute. I love the butterflies on the bottom and that purpley squiggly stuff. All right, so I took everything out, and like I said, I do already own this wonderful palette here. So I figured I could use this palette when I do my gigs, so I will be bringing this along. I normally give a lot of my stuff away that I have dupes of, but then I realized, like, I'm like, when I do my gigs, like, I don't like the makeup that I have that's my own is my own, but I definitely do not like mix the two. Like the stuff that I use on my clients, I don't like use on myself. Like I'm weird like that. Like, so like I have a kit for my clients, and that's for my clients, and the stuff that I use on myself is for myself. So I'm like, I can have this for just specifically for my clients. I'll show you guys what it looks like, because like I said, I already have all of these palettes already. So I'll just show you for mine. what it looks like when you open it up, just in case somebody never seen it. The palette is beautiful though. It's a beautiful, beautiful palette. So this is what the palette looks like. Beautiful, 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 beautiful palette. The choices was between this palette you can choose from, or you could have got the purple one. Which now that I think about it, maybe I should have got the purple one. I don't know. Both of them are, I guess it wouldn't really matter, but this is what the purple one looks like. You could have chose between the purple one as well. I definitely like this palette. It's a huge mirror. Like, if you want to do your makeup with your palette, like, you get a huge, this whole thing's a mirror, so you can sit here and see yourself. Like I said, I have this palette, the purple on. I'll show you what purple I have on in case you're wondering. I have on B4. Right there, that's the purple that I have in my crease, and then the pink was from this palette here. But these are amazing. Like, they're super, 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 super pigmented palettes. Like, they're great. They're great. Like, so I'm happy to have this now to have for my kit when I do my gigs. That's definitely gonna be like a go-to. All right, so let's get into everything else. So I have a lot of her loose powders. This was my choice, golden orange. I think you were only able to choose one thing, I want to say. No, you were able to pick two, because I chose this and I did choose the palette. And I think, was that it? I mean, you normally pick your choices so far in advance that I forget, honestly and truly, I forget what I picked. But I know I did pick the palette, and I know I did pick this in golden orange. So I got this color because, like, orangey undertones. I have a yellow olive undertone, but like I could do like a little color correcting, and sometimes when it's too like light of a powder, it looks ashy, but I can mix this up with like my lighter ones to give me like a more balanced brightness. So I got golden orange for me. That's what it looks like. So I'm excited to have this one because I have two other ones already. So now I have like 3 of them. I'm super excited for this spray. I wanted to buy this spray, but it's like, if you guys saw my video where I showed you guys how many like finishing sprays I have, like I have at least like, I don't know, 35 setting sprays. I'll have that video down in the description below if you guys want to see that. Then you guys would know I should not be buying no setting sprays, not even one. So I'm trying not to buy like if I don't need it. Like mystery boxes I'm always gonna buy because I love trying new stuff, but like I'm not gonna just go into like Sephora and buy like a new setting spray when I know I have like 90 that I need to use and finish up. So I hope that makes sense. It makes sense to me, but I don't know if it's gonna make sense to you guys. But I love this setting spray. It smells like coconuts. I was hoping that I was gonna get the oil because I saw some people got like the oil. But how stinking cute is this packaging, guys? Like, now I thought that it was gonna be like gold reflex in here, but it's just the packaging that looks cool and sparkly, but it's not sparkly on the inside. And it smells like coconut. It has like the lock and release on the top here, right here. So it doesn't open on its own. And then let's smell it. I love the smell of this. Coconuts. I just love a lot of the products that I use. I love just because it has coconuts in it. I'm definitely gonna be using this for sure, because I love coconuts. So I'm happy about that. So far I'm happy with this compared to like my base box. The next thing I got was a brow pencil in dark brown. Did I choose this too? Maybe I don't know. I remember choosing those two, but I got a brow pencil in dark brown, which is good because I actually use granite, like it's like the black one, but I mean I could use dark brown. It's a little lighter, but I could use this color as well. As long as they didn't give me taupe, you would understand why I'm saying that if you saw my last BOXYCHARM unboxing that I did yesterday. Well, you saw it yesterday, but I actually film like 2-3 videos a day. But for you guys, it will be yesterday. but that's what it looks like. And then you got the slant one. I don't like this style. I like, they have two types of pencils. One that's just like the micro pencil, and then they have these on a slant, but I don't like the slant one too much. I like the other ones better. And then it has like a spoolie on the other end. So that is a that. Oops, almost dropped it. I don't know why I always keep dropping stuff. Alright, so that is that. And then I got a loose highlighter in Peach Fizz. Is this the one that I have already? No, I do not have this one. Oh, this is pretty. I don't have this one. I have the bronzy one to this, but I don't have this color. And I'm happy that I can actually wear this color. This will be a beautiful color for me. It's like a peachy, hence the name Peach Fizz. Love the packaging, guys. Like, this sparkle is life. Look at the sparkle. Who doesn't love sparkle? Everybody needs sparkle in their life. Super excited for that. And then the last thing I got is, I've never tried the Anastasia lashes before. So I did get a pair of her lashes, which I'm happy to try. This is in the style Lengthy. It's called Lengthy. And that's what she looks like. Right up my alley. These are the type of lashes that I like. These lashes retail for $12. The spray was $26. The brow pencil was $23. The highlighter was $25. The powder was $38. And the palette was $60, like I said. So you really got your bang for your buck with this box because, like I said, I only paid $35 for this premium box. So this I did like. I did like the premium box. The base box, this one, like I said, was a no-go. But I did like everything I got in this box. So I will give this box, I would give it a 9 out of 10. I didn't give it a 10 out of 10 just because I'm salty from my base box and my add-ons from that I got for July, and I'm just being a little petty. But overall, I'm just joking. I like the box. I give it a 9 out of 10. I didn't like I wish I had a darker brow pencil in here. And I really want to try the oil, but I got the spray. But overall, I love this, so that's why I gave it a 9 out of 10. What did you guys get? Did anybody get the oil, or did you guys get anything differently? Let me know in the comments down below. If you liked my video, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. It helps the channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave the channel. And thank you guys so much for all the love and support. My channel has been growing. As of today, I have 1,200 subscribers. I cannot believe it. Like, I can't believe it. Like, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for everyone who's new to my channel, who's been subscribing. Your girl is growing on the channel, and I'm super, like, I'm just happy. You guys are great, and I have the best subscribers. Thank you for everyone who's been leaving me kind words, and you guys rock. I have the best subscribers. And thank you guys once again. And then stay tuned for my next video, where if you guys are curious to see what I got for my glam bag, for what I actually paid for, not PR, stay tuned for my next video. And that's it. Still waiting on my Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I did not even get an alert saying that they shipped yet. So I'm bummed because I keep seeing all these videos on YouTube of people showing their stuff. And I'm like, they're ruining it with their spoilers. So I'm trying not to look too much on social media. So I can still be surprised. But as soon as I get my summer mystery boxes, I will let you guys know. And I'll post it. So see you guys all in my next video. Bye.